Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good good morning. Good morning. Ready? Put heading English language revision. English language revision. One thing I want to make it clear before you write anything. Whatever I give for revision, that is a form of practice and a sort of information that how the question paper will come. Make sure these questions are not the questions that same will come in the exam. Okay? This is only for your practice and to make you clear that what type of questions and what type of question paper will come. Please learn each and everything what is there given in the syllabus, not only the revision. Okay, revision is only to prepare you for the exam. It is not that at all that only what is given in the revision that will come. No. Okay, this is only for your practice. Clear? Okay. Hmm. So don't depend on revision only. Prepare each and everything what I have given you in the syllabus of the subject. All right. First question. Write a letter Write a letter to your uncle thanking him for the gift he sent you on your birthday. Write a letter to your uncle thanking him for the gift he sent you on your birthday. Write a letter to your uncle thanking him for the gift he sent you on your birthday. He sent you on your birthday. Next question. Define the following. Also give examples. Define the following. Also give examples. Means give at least two or three examples each. Okay, two or three examples you have to give. Okay. Number one, conjunction. Conjunction. Number two, preposition. Conjunction, three example. Preposition, three example. Then idiom. No, definition and example both. Conjunction, preposition, idioms, proverbs, adverbs. Conjunction, preposition, idioms, proverbs, adverbs. Six definitions, three example each. Open book later, Manvi. First write idioms, idioms, proverbs, proverbs, and adverbs. All six definitions plus three examples each. Done? Now, next question. Fill in the phrasal verbs. Fill in the phrasal verbs. Fill in the phrasal verbs. Number one, write quickly. Fill in the phrasal verbs. Number one, Bharti dash. Bharti dash. When she heard the news. Bharti dash. When she heard the news. Number two, I often dash, often, O-F-T-E-N, often, O-F-T-E-N, often. I often dash in front of the TV. I often dash in front of the TV. Mute your mic, children. Molly, Manvi. I often dash in front of the TV. Next, as always, Anjula dash late. As always, Anjula dash late. I'm repeating all three sentences. Bharti dash when she heard the news. Number two, I often dash in front of the TV. Number three, as always, Anjula dash late. Next question, fill the idioms. Fill the idioms. Next question, fill the idioms. Fill the idioms. He is dash. He is dash. Number two, last night, it was dash. Last night, it was dash. Number three, he is like a dash. He is like a dash. He is like a dash. I'm repeating all three sentences. Who is Tarannum Hassan? First of all, tell me, he is Wafi. Tarannum is Wafi. Why, Wafi, you join and then you leave and again join and leave? Be careful, beta. Athar has also left. Do not leave the class in between. If you will leave, you will be marked absent. Okay, okay. Now write all, I'm repeating all three sentences again. First is he is dash. Second, last night it was dash. Third, he is like a dash. Next question. Complete the sentences. Last night it was dash. Third is he is like a dash. Now next question. Complete the sentences. Complete the sentences. Number one, all that glitters dash. All that glitters dash. All that glitters dash. Number two, a penny save. A penny save. A penny save is dash. A penny save is dash. Number three, a friend in need. A friend in need dash. A friend in need dash. I'm repeating. All that glitters dash. A penny saved is dash. A friend in need dash. What you have to fill here? You have to fill the proverbs. Complete the sentences with proverbs. Okay? Complete the sentences with proverbs. Number one, all that glitters dash. Number two, a penny saved is dash. Number three, a friend in need dash. So what will be the answer for all that glitters? Divya? All that glitter is not gold. Very good. Very good. All that glitters is not gold. Number two, a penny saved is penny. A penny saved is a penny earned. A penny saved is a penny earned. A friend in need. A friend in need is a friend indeed. Let's discuss. Let's discuss the idioms. He is fit as a fiddle. Yes, very good. He is fit as a fiddle. Then next, last night it was very good, Mehndi Abbas. It was raining cats and dogs. Number three, he is like a bull in the china shop. Very good, Manvi. He is like a bull in the china shop. Then let's discuss phrasal verb now. Bharti dash when she heard the news. Broke down. Very good. Broke down. I often dash in front of the TV. Drop off. Drop off. Number three, as always, Anjula dash late. Turned up. Turned up. So now, what do you have to do in English language? First, you have to write the letter. Then, in letter, today's date you will write because you are writing it today. After letter, you will write the definitions, conjunction, preposition, adverb, idiom, proverb, whatever I have given, with three examples each. After writing the definitions, you will do these exercises. Okay. Now,